second grade, Mr. Pfeiffer here. Some form drawing for you. Got my board, chalk, chamois. Pretty, it's pink and has leaves on it. My wife made these for my daughters when they were first born. We use these as diaper wipes. But we're reusing them. All right. So last week we ended up kind of doing some lines and a little bit of a circle, right? So now we're going to do some stuff where we're going to see how a shape can change, but also keeping something similar. So what I'd like everybody to do first is draw a little circle like that in the middle. Well, not in the middle, but see where I am on my board? Kind of off to the left. Then around that, we're going to draw another circle. All right, kind of looks like an eyeball, right? And then even around there, one more time, another circle. All right, does everybody have that? I hope you do. We're going to come over to the right next to it, and draw another circle right in the middle. So that's going to be the same, right? These should be roughly the same, these two circles. So now, this circle here is going to change a little bit. All right, does everybody see the difference? It's a little bit different, right? And then this circle is going to follow around the outside of that second one. It's not really a circle anymore, right? It's kind of like an amoeba or just a goofy, maybe a mud puddle or something, or a smushed egg, right? So now that we did that, we're going to come down underneath our first one, and we're going to do this guy again. So again, 1, 2, 3. These are all the same, but the shapes around it are changing. So now, we're starting to do it a little bit differently. See how this line is a little bit different than this line? Right? And in that third line, it's going to trace around and try and keep the space between the two lines roughly the same all the way around. So that means from here to here is roughly the same distance. Here to here, here to here. All right? So now we see it kind of looks like this one, but it's a little bit different. It certainly doesn't look like that one too much anymore, but except for this middle part, right? Now, I'm going to come underneath this one and across from that one. Another circle. All right. And now we're going to kind of start to stretch this part out. So, here we go. And just take your time. We're in no rush. It's just us. So now that looks a lot different from that one. Certainly a lot different from that one, and a little bit different from this one, right? But again, this little dot in the middle looks the same. So now I'm going to make that last line. I'm going to trace around it, or I shouldn't say trace, but we're going to go around it and try and keep that space between the lines the same all the way throughout. So your board should look something like that. All right. So we can practice all 4 of those, and I think you can probably see it peeking up there at the top. When you're done and you're confident, you can keep your book this way, so going the long way with your spirals up here, or you can do what I did and put it so your spirals would be on the left or the right hand side. And I want you to do all 4 of these. And again, try and practice as much as you need to on your chalkboard. That's why we have them. And then I want you to take 3 colors. I chose red, blue, and purple because, well, for me, red and blue make purple. So I thought it'd be kind of cool if we did it that way. But you can use any 3 colors, but only 3. Okay, only 3 colors. And I want you to do all 4 of them so that when you look back in your book when you're older, you can be like, oh man, that really did change, but there was one thing that stayed the same. All right? So, good luck. I look forward to seeing what everyone does, and we'll be back next week. All right, have a good day. Bye.